Let's go. Real Bread Life. So, it's my man Nick right here.
What up?
Check his episode out. He's on my page. Nick is a fellow bread man. See his truck. He got a nice truck. This is a 2017. But the reason why we're out here today is Nick has a problem. Nick, what's going on?
My truck won't start. I got my truck loaded up this morning. I get out to my truck and the thing won't turn over. So I've been dealing with trying to get it to start for the past 4 hours, going back and forth, messing with it, thinking I'm a mechanic.
How many problems have you ever had with this truck?
Not much. It's relatively new, so I haven't had too many issues.
Okay.
Little things, regular things.
So, what time is it right now?
11, just about.
Okay, so we talked this morning about 6:15.
Yeah, something like that.
So what time did you finish loading your truck?
7, just about. And then
So you've been here since 7.
Yeah, bro, I came out here. I've been out here for like 4 hours trying to get this thing to turn over just so I could get it to go down the street to the mechanic to avoid a tow.
Okay. So that's some of the stuff we talked about before, not just me and you, just me and other people, and just on some of the episodes. The maintenance is what you have to be prepared for. He will get it done, but to save that $200 or $180, $160, maybe more.
Maybe
because
more. Probably
you
more.
cannot get this thing towed with a regular tow truck.
Nope.
You have to have the big boy truck.
Got to get a record.
A wrecker has to come. So if you watch my other episode with Bob, he has the Fuso. That's made by Isuzu. This isn't Isuzu, it's just not a Fuso.
No, Mitsubishi.
A Mitsubishi, I'm sorry. Mitsubishi, Isuzu.
Mitsubishi does Fuso.
Okay, Hashitashi, whatever.
Hashitashi, you know but, yeah,
So
I do a lot of my own maintenance though. So like I tried to figure out the problem myself. I've been having issues with it turning over. It does not want to turn over.
So yeah, so we tried to tap the starter. I tried to turn the key for him. You see he got his tools out here.
I cleaned all my grounds up. I changed my starter. Nothing.
No luck.
No luck.
Nothing. So the thing that made me want to talk to Nick and record this is, so he just opened up the cab and said this may be the problem. What is that, Nick?
All that bird shit.
What? He got a lot of bird shit. So what happens is when he comes back, the birds huddle up in here so they can stay warm. And they just do some drop-offs.
Defecate all over my shit.
They put shit all over your shit?
Shit all over my shit. But
man,
that might be the issue, dude. I don't know. I think it could have something to do with it.
Maybe. So new year, same problems.
Same problems, baby.
Yeah.
Try to get it taken care of soon, so I can have a good rest of the year.
Yeah. It's only day 3 of this year.
Only day 3, man.
You got 362 more to go. So hopefully it'll all come together.
Hopefully.
Thanks for sharing with us.
Got you.
Tell the people, stay blessed, keep stacking.
Stay blessed, keep stacking, and as always, real bread life.
My boy. Appreciate that.